Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we will learn something about Excel. Okay, although the tutorial video is going to be very simple, but the tutorial video gonna be very useful. And guys, gradually we move towards the advanced level tutorial. So guys, keep in touch and don't forget to subscribe to the channel Backbenchers Classroom. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, let's open the Microsoft Excel first. Okay, and guys, in this today's tutorial video, I will show you how to add, delete and modify Excel sheet of a workbook. Okay, as you know, a workbook can contain multiple number of Excel sheets. Okay, and guys, by using Excel sheet, we don't have to create separate Excel workbook file in our computer. Okay, so that we can do multiple type of jobs in single workbook. Guys, when we create any new Excel file, it will call a workbook. Okay, and after opening the workbook, you can do your work, guys. And here is the Excel sheet. Okay, suppose you are going to prepare for multiple number of mark sheet for the different students of different standard. Okay, then we need multiple number of sheet here. To add new sheet, you have to click in this new sheet option. Okay, by clicking on this plus button, you can add multiple number of sheet, and on the each sheet you can have different standard mark sheet. So guys, according to your need, you can even rename this sheet name. Suppose in this sheet 1 you are preparing mark sheet for standard 5, then you can here name it as standard 5. Okay, same as you can rename it that you need. Let's name it as standard 6. Okay, that's how you can rename all the sheet name. Even you can set the color according to your sheet or according to your requirement. Okay, just right click on the sheet, and as you can see, here is the tab color. You can set the tab color. Okay, and guys, even you can see lot of options. By clicking on insert button, even you can add another worksheet or chart. Okay, even by right click on the sheet, you can delete this sheet. Okay, and guys, if you have any sensitive data in your Excel sheet, then you can protect this. Okay, by clicking on this protect sheet option, and here you can set the password. Even by checking on these options, you can restrict these features. Okay, and guys, there is nothing more to show on this list. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.